Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and this is the box for the iPhone SE. So I got it delivered today, and I figured I'd do a quick unboxing for anyone curious for what was inside. Don't worry, I've got lots of content coming your way for this phone, but I figured we'd start with this. So first off, the box itself is actually pretty cool. On the side here, it has the word iPhone in the color I got for the phone, which is red. So that's a nice touch, but let's go ahead and open this thing up. So as usual, we have the paperwork right at the top there, and you can see a little bit of red poking out, so we can pull that out. And one thing I was a little disappointed by is that the Apple stickers are white, not red, but otherwise this is pretty straightforward. Under that we have the phone, of course, and yeah, here it is. This is what it looks like. So it feels like you're holding an iPhone 8. It really is the exact same thing when it comes to the design, except of course we do have that centered Apple logo, and we do have the product red text on the bottom there. That's only for the red one, of course. Right now they are donating to fight COVID, which is pretty cool. Plus the color looks awesome, so if you want red, definitely go for it. But anyways, under the phone there we have the old corded earphones, of course. These are about a dime a dozen. I have so many of them. Under that we have the Lightning to USB charger, so no USB-C yet. And then of course we have the small 5-watt power adapter, so no fast charging out of the box. You would have to buy that separately if you want to fast charge your iPhone SE. So that's everything that comes in the box. Very straightforward, not a whole lot to go through. And this is the phone itself, so it looks, yeah, really nice. It's an iPhone 8 is really what it looks like. It feels good in the hand, and I really do like how light and thin this thing is compared to my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is a monster. It's a lot more comfortable to hold. I am looking forward to reviewing this thing, so make sure you watch out for that. But I am pretty much done here. Not a whole lot to talk about, just want to quickly unbox it. And so if you found this video interesting, maybe hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content similar to this. You should follow me over on Twitter and Instagram at 91_tech if you want to keep up. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I will see you all next time.